This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes.
Morning. Okay. So last class we discussed file permission. Today we'll see VI editor. To create the file, VI editor. Earlier we discussed about cat command. What is the cat limitations? Cat also to create the file. But what are the cat limitations?
We cannot edit the file.
We can't edit,
You
the modify the
It
text.
can,
We can't delete the text.
You can
But
only append.
you can only create and append. But using V editor, you can do whatever you want. No limitation. In Windows we have WordPad, Notepad. Same like Unix or Linux we have VI editor. Types of modes in V editor. One is command mode, insert or replace mode, extended or execute mode. They are the types of modes in V editor. The default mode is command mode. Command mode is the default. To switch from one mode to another mode, press escape key. Want to switch from one mode to another mode, every time you have to press escape key. So whenever we open the file, VA file name, whenever we open the file, default mode is command mode. So default mode is command mode. You want to switch from command mode to insert mode, press escape key. To switch from command mode to extended, also press escape key. But you cannot switch from insert mode to extended mode or extended mode to command mode. It is not possible. When you are in insert mode, you want to go to extended, go to command mode to extended. When we are in extended mode, you want to go to insert mode, again switch to command mode, then come to insert mode. So every time you have to go to command mode, and default is also command mode. So this is about VEditor. You want to practice this VEditor, we need a file with some text, some data. Rather than you create the file through cat command, copy the file, register file, cp /etc//wd/opt. Can anyone tell what this command does? What this command does?
Did you copy the password file to the OPT directory?
Yes, from etc. From which directory? From etc. You are copying to the opt. Both are obsolete path. Open the file vi /opt/password. When we open the file, what the default mode?
Command.
Command mode. Default is command mode. You want to write something, you have to go to insert mode. How to go to insert mode? Press escape I. Escape I, insert mode. Let's see here. Suppose we have some file name file1. Any file. Name of the file is file1. Enter. By default, you are in the command mode. The keyboard doesn't work. In command mode, keyboard doesn't work. You want to write something, escape I. Here we can see we are in the insert mode. Now you can write some data. Again, you want to go to command mode, press escape. Now we are in the command mode. In command mode, you can't write anything. You can only move the cursor. Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. But we can't able to write, we can't able to edit. So copy the file cp/etc/password/opt. Open the file va/opt/password. So default mode is command mode. I want to write some text end of the line. Move the cursor to the end of the line. The cursor is not moving here. Why? Because we are in the command mode. You want to write the text after the cursor. Want to write the text after the cursor. Escape A. A for append. Append mode, insert mode, both are same. Now we are in the insert mode. Write some text. Again press escape. Here in the command mode. So escape A to write the text after the cursor. Escape I to add the text where the cursor is. For example, you want to add the text here. Move the cursor there. Escape I. Add the text. Escape I to add the text where the cursor is. Escape A to add the text after the cursor. Again escape, go to command mode. When the cursor is in starting position, you want to add the text end of the line. Move the cursor to the end of the line. Then escape A. Instead of that, when the cursor starting position, escape shift A. Escape shift A. Move the cursor end of the line with append position. Escape shift A. Move the cursor end of the line. With append position. Escape move to add the line below the cursor. Escape shift O to add the line above the cursor. Press escape, go to command mode. Now you want to add the line below the cursor. Escape O to add the line below the cursor. Again escape, go to command line. Escape shift O to add the line above the cursor. Escape R, replace character. Escape CW to change the word. Escape DW to delete the word. Escape X to delete the character. So you want to replace the character. Move the cursor, which character you want to replace. Escape R, escape R. Escape R, replace the character. Replace the word R, change word. Escape CW. Escape CW, change the word. Escape DW, delete the word. Escape X, delete the character one by one. Escape X, delete the character one by one. Escape DD, delete entire line. Escape DD, delete entire line. You won't delete the 5 lines. Escape 5 DD, delete 5 lines. Escape 5 DD, delete 10 lines. Escape 10 DD. To undo the changes, escape U. Escape U for undo the changes. Escape U, undo the changes. Escape Control R, redo the changes. Control R for redo the changes. Escape U for undo the changes. Escape DD to delete entire line. Escape NDD to delete number of lines. N stands number. 5DD, delete 5 lines. 10DD, delete 10 lines. Escape U to undo the changes. Escape Control R to redo the changes. Right. Copy paste. Which line you want to copy? Move the cursor. Escape YY for copy. Escape YY for copy. Where do you want to paste? Below the cursor, above the cursor. P, paste the line below the cursor. P, paste the line below the cursor. Shift P, paste the line above the cursor. To copy entire line. P, paste the line below the cursor. Shift P, paste the line above the cursor. You want to copy 10 lines, escape 10 YY, copy 10 lines. 5 YY, copy 5 lines. Or escape NYY. N stands number. So how many lines you want to copy? Specify the number. P, paste the line below the cursor. Shift P is the line above the cursor. Escape Shift G to go to last page and last line. So all these are insert mode and replace mode. Now come to extended or execute mode. Escape Shift colon, type set NU to set the line numbers in the file. So press Escape Shift colon, Escape Shift colon, type set NU to set the line numbers in the file. Again Escape Shift colon, set no NU to remove the line numbers. Escape Shift colon, set no NU to remove the line numbers. To move the cursor to the particular line, for example 35th line, Escape Shift colon, specify the line number. We didn't discuss copy paste. How many lines you want to copy? For example, escape 10yy, escape 10yy, P for paste the lines below the cursor, shift P, paste the lines above the cursor. Now you want to go to 35th line, escape shift colon, line number. It go to 35th line. Escape shift colon, type number. To move the cursor to the particular line. Escape shift colon, type the word. To search the word in the file. For example, I want to search word called root in entire file. Escape shift colon slash, type the word root. Press enter. You can see the cursor at the root. But this word is repeated more than once. Word is repeated more than once. Press N. N stands next occurrence. Wherever the word root, the cursor move automatically. N for next occurrence. Okay. Press N for next occurrence. Next, search and replace. Wherever we have word root, replace with another word. Escape shift colon 1 comma dollar yes. Which word you want to replace? Word root. Replace with another word wisdom. G for global. Wherever we have a word root, it is going to replace with word wisdom. Global means entire file. Everywhere root replace with wisdom.
Sir, what is one, sir? One.
You want to replace only one word, one line, one word. That we'll discuss in the shell scripting classes. We have a arc set. Arc set comes under shell scripting. This comes under advanced basics. escape, shift R to replace entire line. Next, escape, shift colon 1 comma dollar yes slash world word slash new word slash G. Replace the word in entire file. To replace the word entire file. Suppose we want to replace this entire line, escape shift R. You see now you are in the replace mode. Replace mode, you can replace entire line. Again backspace to undo the changes. Backspace undo the changes. Escape shift colon W to save this file. Save the file without quit. Save the file without quit. Just save the file. Escape shift colon WQ. Save and quit. Only W. Save without quit. WQ save and quit. Escape shift colon WQ. Save and quit. Escape shift colon WQ exclamation mark. Also save and quit. Also save and quit. Escape shift colon X exclamation mark. Also save and quit. Escape shift colon escape shift ZZ. Also save and quit. So we can use any one for save and quit. Escape shift colon Q exclamation mark. Quit without save. Q exclamation mark. Quit without save. Escape shift colon only Q. Just quit.
With save or without save, sir? Just Q.
I'll explain now. Open the file via editor. I do some changes in the file, escape YY, P for paste. I do some changes in the file. You want to save it, WQ exclamation mark or X exclamation mark, SKW X exclamation mark, also save and quit, WQ exclamation mark, also save and quit, Shift ZZ, also save and quit. All these are save and quit. For example, I do some changes in the file. Let us say I delete everything by mistake. I don't want to save this file. Escape Shift colon Q exclamation mark. If you make any changes in the file and if you don't want to save that changes, then Q exclamation mark quit without save. Quit without save. I just open the file. No changes made in the file. I open the file only to read the data, not to make changes. Now I want to come out. Then escape shift colon only Q. If no changes made in the file, just Q. If you make any changes, you want to save WQ. If you make any changes, you don't want to save Q exclamation mark. If no changes made in the file, only Q. Windows we have save and quit or quit or cancel. Same here also. When we go for quit, no, you don't want to make any change. You don't want to save the changes. Only quit. Save and quit. Like here also we have WQ X exclamation mark Q exclamation mark or only Q. All this about VI editor. It is very important for Linux administrators. So who are working on Linux platform, VI editor is very important. So going forward, Linux administration, every day we'll discuss about this VI. There are some changes, you want to make some changes in the file or you want to create a new file. For everything we need VI editor. So practice this VI editor is very important. So tomorrow we'll discuss about filter command. So take the snap.